Hello, my name is Kaman Reti and we're looking at the desktop of a freshly installed Raspberry Pi OS Trixie 32-bit with emacs gotten from the repository. I'm going to start it with dash capital Q so there's no initialization. I'm going to make it positioned and better size. And then I'm going to get an emacs list file. I've done this with several and the bug reproduced. It's not always reproducible the first time. F, nope, Control H, F, next line, Control X 0, meta E because it's first line, meta E, because the first line is often the first sentence is often multiple lines and the name of the file is at the end of the sentence. So, and then here to go there and make this the only thing. So if I'm sitting here, if I type Control L, it's supposed to scroll so that the cursor line is in the middle. Um, And you can also give it numeric arguments. If you give it a 0 numeric argument, it scrolls so that the line is at the top. And if you give it a -1 numeric argument, it scrolls so that the line is at the bottom. I'm going to actually just type Control minus Control L, and it worked. We see defen next line as the bottom complete line. There's a sort of partial line underneath it that's showing through, but that's the top. But if we say Control L and a second Control L, which is supposed to scroll to the top, and a third Control L, we see that we don't have defen next line and the argument list there. What we have is the cursor is showing the character that is over, which is the open paren of the defen, but the rest of the line came from the top line that's in the buffer. But if I move forward, it's going to update everything correctly because we are really positioned at the right place in the buffer. We just displayed the wrong stuff. And that's basically the bug. Um, if we recycle again, Control L, Control L, Control L. One thing you might think would fix it is redisplay with the force argument set to T, but it really thinks redisplay. It would be good if we typed it right. But that does nothing. Oops, except we weren't seeing the error. So that does nothing because it thinks it's correct. And we were sitting on the closed paren. Here's the fork. None. This is very confusing looking. But as we go Control F down here, we'll see they put it back. Anyway, that's the bug.